up, guys? All right, we're back. We're about to run the next pass. We're actually going to race a Camaro SS. It's an automatic. It does have some drag radials on it. I'm not sure what else is really done to it. Just met this guy. He's actually part of a car club that I just recently joined. And he's up here tonight, so we're going to race each other and see what happens. If we can hook up, I think we can make it interesting, but there's no doubt that car is going to be faster. With us running, you know, a small shot of nitrous like 75 that we got in it right now. So fingers crossed that we can hook up and make it interesting. So let's see what happens. Well, we didn't pull it off, guys. We spun the tires again pretty bad on the launch. I don't know what's changed. We still got the same pressure in the back tires. The sun did go down. It's 81 degrees out here now. It was 98 when we started. So maybe I need to take some air out of the back tires or put some in it. I don't know. We have 30 in right now. So we'll think about that a little bit, but the race with my buddy's Camaro right there, he ran a 12.6, we ran a 13.5. Definitely spun like shit again. We had a 2.1 60 foot, he had a 1.9. He ran 112 miles an hour, we did 104. You know, him running almost a 12.7. If we could hook up and had a dead hook, he would have to chase us down pretty good to come back and catch us, that's for sure. But we just didn't hook up. So hopefully this time we can do something different. I'm gonna let some air out. I'm gonna go down about 5 more pounds and see what happens. If we start spinning again, then I don't know. I'm just gonna put some more nitrous in it and then we'll spray it later. There's a time slip on that pass with the Camaro SS. Definitely spun again, no question about that. We ended up changing the tune-up a little bit. We dropped 5 pounds of pressure in the rear tires, so we're at 25 psi now. We got rid of the 75 shot. We put in a 100 shot jets. So this pass will be on 100 shot. And I'm going to try to launch just on the motor and then hit the nitrous pretty much right after that. So I'm gonna try to hit it pretty soon. I'm hoping it hooks up. We'll see. The track has cooled down a lot, so my traction has went out the window. We're 79 degrees right now, and we started the day at 98. That's a huge drop. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna be racing a black Chevy Camaro. I don't know what's going on with it. It looks like he's on street tires. So hopefully it's a good race. Hopefully we can get some traction and stay ahead of them. So let's. Late on the tree because I almost forgot to put it back in drive, but we got him. Hell yeah, guys, hell yeah. Not bad on that pass at all. We sucked on the tree, but I was in a little bit of a panic mode. I almost forgot to put it back in drive after doing the burnout again, so I was making sure I was in drive as the tree was dropping, so I wasn't ready. He definitely got the jump on us on the tree, but didn't matter. We put more power down and we beat him. So that pass was not bad. We launched on the motor, and as soon as we launched and the tires hooked, because on the motor I usually don't have a problem with hooking up, so we launched on the motor. As soon as I felt it squat and it hooked, I flipped this nitrous switch on and the kit came on. I didn't really feel it spin at all. It felt like it did really good. It hooked up pretty decent. So we ran a 1.898 60 foot on that pass, which isn't terrible launching on the motor and then flipping on nitrous, but and we ran a 12.6 at 109. The Camaro had a 2.5 60 foot, and he ran a 14.3 at 104 miles an hour. So I'm not feeling bad about that pass at all. That was just a 100 shot. That was with basically 25 more horsepower of nitrous than the 75 shot launch. So not too bad. I think we're going to run it back again. We're going to see if we can duplicate that again, make another good pass on that. So heck yeah, guys, I'm going to show you this time slip here in a second. All right, guys, there it is. Focus. Time slip, 12.6 on a 100 shot. That is launching off the motor, and as soon as the truck squats and hooks, I'm flipping the nitrous on. Almost at the same time, but basically we're pretty much launching and then turning the nitrous on. And that way it's not shocking the tires as much when we just do it all at once. The track's just not taking it now that it's cooled down. So, but there you go. So on a 75 shot we can do about a 104 105 mile per hour. On the 100 shot we just managed a 109 mile an hour. We could probably get a 110 out of it, I feel. But we're gonna make another pass like this and see what we can do. Be running a all-wheel drive Audi, little sports coupe sedan job. I believe they are turbo and super fast. I believe I've seen this car running 11, so this car is definitely going to 60 foot good, being all-wheel drive with a ton of power. So I think we know what's going to happen here, but we're going to just try to make a good pass. So let's see what happens. the shit though. It got us. Alright, so that pass wasn't absolutely terrible for how much spinning we did right there, but wasn't as good as the last one, that's for sure. We had a 2.0 3460. We spun pretty hard that time. We launched on the motor, it did hook. I hit the nitrous about the same time as I did the last pass, but when the nitrous came on, it blew the tires up, and we kind of fishtailed out of the 60 foot for a little bit, and we ended up running a 12.8 at 109.05. We did tree the other car a little bit. That Audi, the all-wheel drive car, had a 1.8 60 foot, and it ran a 11.6 at 120. The car definitely hauling some mail, that's for sure. But yeah, we spun a little bit, so we lost a couple tenths right there with the spinning. So I don't know, we're gonna try it again. We might go up another 25, we might do a 125 shot and see what happens, but hell yeah. All right, so here's the time slip, guys, with the 100 shot again. As you can see, about a 60 foot we spun when it came on. The last pass we did have a 1.860, which was actually a little better, considering launching off the motor and then hitting the button pretty soon. All right, we're about to run another pass. We are racing a Ford EcoBoost. Actually, excuse me, not an EcoBoost. It's a 5-liter Ford 4-door pickup truck. He's running an E85 tune, and he's running nitrous. He's not running a lot of nitrous. I think he said he's running about a 50 shot, but brand new Ford 5.0 E85 and a small shot of nitrous. This should be interesting. Let's see what happens. Take that Ford out of here. We spun a little bit, but we still had them. And I mean, we straight gapped them too, buddy. I'm talking like not a little bit, but a lot. Gapped them. About to get the time slip, guys. We did spin a little bit, but I feel like we still ran a decent number. Oh, let's see what we got. Hell yeah, that ain't bad. That's not bad at all. 1.960 foot. We ran a 12.607, so basically a 12.6, pretty much flat. We ran 109.89 mile an hour, so we did pick up a little bit of mile an hour. Just about 110 miles an hour on that pass. The Ford aluminum bodied 5-liter E85 tuned 50 shot of nitrous job. Had a 2.160 foot, ran a 14.2 at 98. Yeah, we pretty much blew the doors off of that one. But yeah, that's it for me tonight, guys. I think that's like 6 passes, I think, maybe 7, I don't even remember. But they're about to shut it down here anyways, and we're getting close to out of nitrous, and I'm ready to go home. So here's the time slip for that pass on the 100 shot, launching off the motor and then turning the switch on. Not too bad, 12.6 at basically about 110 miles an hour. Not too shabby. So yeah, guys, as always, stay safe out there, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.